Okay, so this is why I actually decided on using wireframe blocks instead of finished templates and anything else, any other option. With my Groovepages site, my Groovepages account logged in, and I'm on the workspace I'm on right now. This is the main template. This is a finished site, although it has only one page. It's a one pager. And then this, the page one right there is the page is the template I imported, the next page I imported from the finished templates. And the page 2 right here are blocks, wireframe blocks I brought in as samples. So this is the basic thing I'm trying to explain here. For the home page, if you go in and you go to site settings, right here and change the font here to any of these ones here. Let me just change it to this Architect's Daughter because I've used that one before. And you see it changes here and it changes here on the page 3, which is the blocks I brought in, but it doesn't change here, which is the finished block. The way it works currently is that site level font settings and page level font settings only work for the home page and wireframe blocks. For whatever reason, it doesn't work on any other imported templates, any other imported pages as templates. It doesn't work, as you can see here. Even if you decide to go in, like I said, decide to go in here and change this to a different font. Let me go in and change it to this Blast Make Sans, and you click on it, like go. It doesn't work. But if you change this page to you set it as the home page, right there. If you set it as the home page and you go into the site level settings, and site settings and go in here and choose the ASAP, or let me just go back to this Architect's Daughter and save, and you go back and come to the home page, which is the page 1 right now. That's why it says index. You can see it still did not change, but taking it back up, for whatever reason, in taking it back up there and going to settings, changing it here again. Let me use this one. It didn't change again. But if you come in here and edit settings, Architect's Daughter, and change it, for whatever reason, it doesn't work. As you can see here, it does not work. But the other ones keep changing. As you can see, they keep changing. If you open a new blank template and drag in a wireframe block, wireframe, and you drag it in here, let me see, you drag it in right here, you can see the font here is different. You can see it's a different font, but you see the font here, that's the font that the block is going to take, because that's the selected font. That's the font we want to use. That's the font to select the site level font as. So dragging it in, it's going to take that font in a minute. Right there, you can see. And like I said before, going into site settings and changing the font here changes the font in the blocks. So this just makes things easier to work with, and hopefully this will be fixed soon. But it's been like this for as long as I've been using Groovepages, and as much as I not expect it to be fixed soon, hopefully they'll see this video and probably find a solution for that. Okay, that'll be it for now, and I'll see you in the next one.